Do you want to know how you can sign in or log in to your DeepL account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in or sign in to your DeepL account. Go ahead and open deepl.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on Login, which you can see on the top right hand corner. Now, write down your email address and the password to the account. After that, click Login and then you can log into your DeepL account. You can see that you have now been logged into your DeepL account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.